Hi, this is Cassie and a very warm welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be going ahead and doing my makeup in this wilderness. But there's a twist to this video, and that is that I'll be doing my makeup with no mirror. So this is going to be a no mirror makeup challenge. I have never done my makeup without mirror. I have my friend right here who is just making sure that I'm in focus because I'm using my back camera. Usually I film my videos using my front camera, but since I don't need anything in which I could see myself, and that is the reason why I'm going ahead and using the back camera. So I'll be going ahead and doing my makeup with no mirror. Let's see how this video turns out to be. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm using my Super Stay foundation here, and I'll be mixing it with my Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. And yes, you can see all of my texture, my pores, my acne scars, because I'm sitting in the natural sunlight, and that is the reason why you can see everything that's on my face. But that's okay, it is natural, it is just skin. So let's go ahead and slap on some makeup. I have never done my makeup without mirror, and this is really difficult for me, and I have already told my friend not to prompt me if something or the other is not right, because that is what the challenge is all about, to see what I end up with. I'm trying to go ahead and take a little more time to blend the foundation because I really am not sure how my base is looking. So therefore I'm going ahead and making sure that my foundation is nicely blended. Now it's time for some concealer, and for my concealer I'm using my eye. I have to make sure where my eye is so that I don't end up putting it in my eyes. It's a little hot in here, but the breeze is blowing, it's coming in and out. I feel like my base is okay. Now I'll move on and go ahead and set the makeup using my Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Setting Powder. I hope my base is okay and is not looking too, cakey. And now I'll go ahead and use a fluffier brush. And now it's time for some bronzer. For my bronzer, I'm using my LA Colors Shimmer Bronze. I don't know how much bronzer do I have on my skin. I don't want to look too bronzed. I'll be using some eyeshadow, and I got my Wet n Wild eyeshadow, which is all shattered here, and it doesn't have a mirror. That is the reason why I got this one. So I'll just do a very simple eye look. And I'm gonna use this purple shade right here. Now it's time for some mascara, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. There's my lash. I hope I don't pinch my eye. I don't know if I curled them or not, but now I'll go ahead and use my Maybelline's Colossal mascara. Oh, I guess I got it on my lids. It was difficult. Applying mascara without a mirror is tough. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush, and for my blush I'm using my Miss Claire blusher. and this is in the shade. I mean, all of the information will be definitely listed down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And now for my highlighter, I'm using my Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. Oh my god. It is tough. I hope I don't end up looking like a clown. Taking this brow, and I need to go ahead and fill my brows, which is so difficult. Just using my hand, my finger as my guide, so that I don't overdraw my brows. It's time for some lipstick, and then I'll see if I want to go ahead and do my eyeliner, but eyeliner can get a little tricky when it comes to no mirror makeup challenge. I'm using my favorite lipstick from NYX. I'm using my Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. Am I even applying the kajal? You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner without mirror as well. Let's see how this goes. Oh shit, I really can't do eyeliner without mirror. I guess that is all I can do without mirror. I'm not sure how my makeup is looking right now, but I am for sure that I have ruined my eyeliner, because eyeliner, I mean doing your eyeliner without mirror is very difficult. It's a tough task. I need to go ahead and look into the mirror just to see how I ended up doing this no mirror makeup challenge. Oh god. I think my base is okay. I told you guys that I have ruined my eyeliner look. That is something that I cannot do without mirror. But rest of, I think the bronzer is too much. Apart from that, I don't, even my lipstick is on point. I have my lip liner, my lipstick, everything. My eyeshadow is also okay. I won't say it's the best, but I mean, I just have a little color and it's not blended completely. That is what I can see. I think that is all I have to say. Yeah, the only thing I did not like is my eyeliner. As you can see right here, I just have 2 strokes of eyeliner, and then I knew that I will not be able to go ahead and complete the eyeliner look. So I had to leave it there, because I really don't want to go ahead and mess with the eyeliner and then ruin whole of my makeup look. So I just go ahead and do my eyeliner and be right back. I hope you like this no mirror makeup challenge, and you can definitely comment down below, did I fail or pass in this no mirror makeup challenge? You can rate me from 1 to 10, and then let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this makeup that I created without mirror in this wilderness. Don't forget to take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.